Hello guys, in this lesson we are going to use and or formulas. Previously we have seen if formula. If formula, what it does, it tests one condition at a time. Okay, more than one conditions we cannot test it. In case of nested if, we have, suppose we have a series of condition, we can test it, but one by one. That means if first condition is true, that means it will not test the second condition. That happens, and rest of the conditions will not be tested. If first condition is not true, that means it will test the next conditions, and so on. Okay, but here what happens, and conditions, when we have a series of conditions, it will test all the conditions at the same times. Okay, so when we have or formula, in that case, if one of the condition is satisfied or is found to be correct, that means it will write as true. Okay, so we have two options here, like whether the condition is true or false, it will give us. Okay, suppose take for example, we'll write equal to, as you know that when we write formula in Excel, we have to begin with equal to symbol. Okay, so suppose we'll see if the candidate has scored more than 50 mark, or more than or equal to 50 mark in OC and in psychology, math and accounts, the student is found to be true or outstanding, whatever we may say, it will write here the true. Okay, in case of or conditions, if one of the score is 50, that means it will found to be true. In that will happen. Okay, let us write here. If we will write and you see logical formula 1, logical 2, logical 3, like this. Suppose I will write comma, second logic, third logical condition, fourth logical conditions. So there are number of conditions that you can put, you can test here. Okay, there is no issue here. Okay, if, let us see, if mark in OC is greater than equal to is greater than equal to 50. Okay, one conditions, logical one, then we can put a separator that is called comma. Second logical, if mark in psychology is greater than equal to, it is greater than equal to 50. Okay, there is one issue here. Greater than and equal to, greater than, it is greater than and equal to, greater than equal to 50. This is the second conditions. Okay, then what is the third condition? Third condition, if this is also greater than, this is greater than equal to 50. Okay, this is third conditions. We have four subjects, comma, comma is the separator. Then if this is also greater than equal to 50, okay, bracket close, because we have four subjects, mark, bracket close. Okay, let us enter. It is found to be false. That means what we did, you can see, we have seen D3. What is D3? If this cell is greater than 50, it is less than 50. Okay, if this cell is greater than 50, it is okay, greater than 50. If this cell also, that is called F3, is greater than 50, it is okay. Then if G3 is greater than 50, if all these four conditions, that means all these four cells or the four values have to be greater than 50. If that is the case, it will be reflected here. The condition, what is the condition? Condition will be found to be true, but this is not happening in this case. Therefore, it is found to be false. You can see most of the cases. Let us see if there is any true. You can see here, this is happening. Here it is greater than 50. Here it is greater than and equal to 50. It is greater than 50. it is also greater than 50. Therefore, it is writing here true. This is the case also. You can see here 84, 56, 61 and 87. All these four values are found to be greater than or equal to 50. Therefore, we are getting it true. Okay. So what happens in this case? When we use AND formula and we have a series of logical conditions, if all the conditions are satisfied, that means all in this case all the values are greater than 50, that means it will be written as true or it will be false. Let us see, or similar things also we can write. Let us write or formulas. Okay, if this is greater than equal to 50, logical condition 1, comma, then this cell is greater than equal to 50, comma, then this cell is greater than equal to 50, comma, there is another subject, then this cell is also greater than equal to 50. Okay, then bracket close. It is called true because one of the conditions is found to be true. You can see. So many of the conditions are found to be true here. Okay, that means what does it means? The here you see needs improvement. In this case, there is a false. The candidate has scored 15, 29, 30 and 26. These values are less than or equal to 50. Therefore, it is written as false. Yeah. Basically, in case of and we have a series of conditions. What we are testing, series of logical conditions. All the conditions has to be true. In that case, only result or output will be true. Else, if one of the conditions is not satisfied, it will write as false. But in case of OR conditions, what happens? When we have like one of the conditions is found to be correct, in that case, we'll get result as true. This is the difference. Okay. That's for the lesson. Thank you.